Hello everybody, welcome. Now then, I've been to Tesco's today and I've also been to Aldi's again today. Let me show you what I've got. It's nice and simple one, this. Onion rings, Aunt Bessie's, V, Aldi's. Now, let me show you. They were £1.75p. They was £1.5. Is they worth the money over them? An extra 70p. And they, the Aunt Bessie's, see that? 375 gram. So the Aldi's, where is it? 750. Let's open them up and have a look what they look like. Right, as I say, I mean you can see the difference in the bags. Look at the size of the difference, look. Extra 70p. Aunt Bessie's, are they worth more? Is the name worth the taste? So let's open them up. Let's open an Aunt Bessie first. There's the Aunt Bessie's. That's it there. I know you can make your own onion rings and everything, but for convenience, I mean they do look quite nice actually, and they are quite thick. There's the Aunt Bessie. Then let's do the Aldi one. Get that cut open. Show you how many's in the bag. Quite a lot in there. You can see that, can you? Can you see that? There you go. Quite a lot in there, look. Quite full. Can't see it, both of them together. Anyway, let's compare Aunt Bessie and Aldi. I mean, Aunt Bessie's a lot bigger, ain't they? They're a lot bigger. And they do look a lot more appetising, to be fair. So what I'm going to do, put them back in the right bag so I don't mix them up. What I'm going to do some in the oven. And I'm going to do both, some in the air fryer. Not everyone's got an air fryer, so I just want to see what the difference comes out in both. So I'm going to get my oven warmed up. I'm going to get the air fryer warmed up. Well, I'm going to get some Bessie's. The oven's all warmed up. I mean, look at the size of that one. Look at that one. That's huge. Compared to that one, look in there. Oh, come on, Aunt Bessie's. Get them the same size. Yeah, they've got a load of different size ones in here. I mean, look at that one. I'll put them on in there. How many's there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and a little one. And I'll put Aldi this side. I mean, you can see Aunt Bessie's look 100% better, don't they? You'll know which is which. Right, I'll stick them in the oven. I have had a look. 12 to 15 minutes, that one. And the Aunt Bessie's are 16 to 18. So when they've been in the oven for half the time, when there's about 10 minutes left, I'm going to stick some in the air fryer and we can taste both. So I'm going to get them in the oven now. Right, them ones in the oven have been in about halfway. I've just turned them over. So I'm going to put some in here now. And I must admit, them in the oven, well, one lot, I'm not sure which one it is yet, really smells oniony. I presume that'll be the Aunt Bessie. Let me get a couple in there. Just got to make sure I don't get them, I mean, I shouldn't get them mixed up because they're different, aren't they? So let's get 3 in of each if I can. See if I can get it in. Hold on, without touching. There we go. There we go. My Aunt Bessie's on the right, be at the back by the time it goes in. So I'll get them in. I'm not sure, I'm going to keep an eye on them. Maybe 10 minutes, I suppose. Never done them in here before, so 200 degrees. Put it on for 10, and I'll probably have to turn it over at 5. I'll check. Right, all done. The front ones are the ones in the oven, and the ones at the back are the ones in the air fryer. The ones in the air fryer, they only took 7 minutes. So they look nice, don't they? Can you see that? I mean, we know which one looks the best, don't we? Obviously, that's Aunt Bessie's. And that's Aldi. But 70 pence more there was. Don't forget that in the price. And you only get half the size of the pack. But they look nice. So let's give them a taste test and we'll see if they are worth the extra 70p. Right. So they do look nice. Now, these ones, nice and crispy. That's the air fryer ones are even crispier. Now these ones, they are crispy, but not as crispy. But the air fryer ones are, they're just as crispy as them ones in the air fryer, as the Aunt Bessie's. So it'd be an interesting little taste, this, for the value for the money. So first things first, let's do the budget one in the oven. That's quite nice. I saved that big one for Nat. She loves onion rings, and Nat does, absolutely loves them. Now the Aunt Bessie one in the oven. I mean, you can see the onion in that one, look. Nice. Now the air fryer one, Aldi. So that one is more like mush, isn't it? Nice though, got the onion there. The onion taste. Now the Aunt Bessie one, they have crisped up a little bit more in the air fryer. I mean, you can tell the difference in the onion straight away. I don't know whether that is actual onion. I'm not 100% sure. But it's like an onion paste or something because it's all gooey. But them ones, it's obviously proper onion. But it's for 70p more and you only get half the pack. But they are nice. Let me get Aunt Nat, let her try before I make a decision. Right, I've got Aunt Nat with us. She's going to test them now. I haven't told her which is which. It's probably obvious, but I haven't told her. The ones at the front are oven, the ones at the back are air fried.
Okay.
So, which one are you having first? I have one each of the oven and one each of the air fry.
Right. Which one's this one? Oven.
That's oven at the front.
Right. I'll try one of these ones. Nice, but like, is that onion or paste?
I think it's maybe mashed up.
They're quite nice.
I'll try the other oven one.
In fact, a small one. That one's nice.
Nice.
Oh.
Proper onion in that one, ain't there?
That one's nice.
Yeah. And there's the air fry ones at the back.
That one's nice and crispy,
yeah.
even though it's been in the oven.
Yeah.
That one
That's what I
is
thought.
crispy, but it's a bit soggy.
It's a bit soggy, that's what I said.
Right, I'll take that one.
Go on then, that's air fried.
Right. That's even crunchier.
That's better,
nice.
isn't it?
I like that.
Yeah. Try this air fry one then.
But I'm back and I'll eat that in a minute. This one. Still soggy.
Still soggy in the middle, isn't it?
I'm not too keen on this one. It's nice, but I prefer.
You prefer that? You prefer
I
that?
prefer that.
That's the expensive one
fry.
then. That's the expensive one.
Oh, is it?
That's the that's the Aunt Bessie's.
Oh, right.
Would you prefer the Aunt Bessie in the air fryer or in the oven?
In the air fryer.
In the air fryer. And that's the Aldi one.
Oh.
I prefer the Aunt Bessie as well, to be fair. I think it's a lot better.
How much was that one?
But it's 70p more than that.
How much was that one?
That was £1.05. And that was £1.75.
I wouldn't pay £1.75.
But you only get half the pack. You get double the pack in that.
They're not horrible.
They're not horrible.
Just a bit soggy.
But I mean, I think it's a bit of a, because of the comparison. I think I should have got two of the same, like Aldi and Morrison's own brand, shouldn't I? But would I pay the extra 70p for that for half the pack? I wouldn't know.
No, I wouldn't.
I wouldn't. Maybe if you was, I don't know, having a barbecue and people around or something, and you just wanted a few. Maybe, yeah. But if you had to put in the oven, in the freezer and that, I'd just got to get them for £1. That's what I'd get.
As well.
Yeah.
They're nice.
There you go. You can go and eat all them because I know you like them.
I don't want to eat all them.
No?
I'll just take the little one. Thank you.
Alright, I'm back. Anyway, there you go. Yeah, Aunt Bessie's v Aldi. Maybe I should try another brand like an Iceland against Aldi or something. Bit better comparison. But I wouldn't pay the 70p extra unless you was just having a few a person. You know what I mean? But there you go. Another little one. I say I am the old food guy. Thank you for watching. Till the next time. Bye bye.